Hey,
Hey.
we're the sunglasses girls
Oh, 9, little dummy.
and little Amy.
Someone's at the door. Oh my god.
Okay, well, ready? This is our jam.
Yeah.
One.
Too fast. And then really fast. And then kind of like really fast, kind of. And then we're gonna do like what? Shh. Big butts getting that. She ain't getting that.
Wait, show it. Wait, let me do something. Lil Dommy is a little bit weird.
So that was our like little discussion of the day, like a little new knick-knack.
Yeah.
And now,
Thank you and have a great day.
yeah, and thank you for watching our videos.
Wait. Wait. Thank you and have a great day.
Wait, hold on, 1, 2.